It's a little dot. It doesn't let off any signals.
Are we landing yet?
Yes, we landed, Dad. You can get up and walk off the plane.
Yep. Are we landing?
Oh yeah, we are. Very far.
Not very far.
No, we're not. The land's over there.
I see green, I think.
Hope we're not one of those 1 million planes.
Don't do that, don't do that. Don't say that. That freaks me out enough already. Think about it. I hate flying.
I actually don't mind it anymore.
Oh dear God.
That's landing gear.
We're over water, that freaks me out.
The airport is right next to water.
It is?
Yeah, the airport's...
I've never been to the Boston airport, I've only been to Bradley. Never been to Boston.
Ooh, look at the water, the color. The color of the water.
Welcome to Boston.
Alright. I gotta find out what Trey wants.
You know, right now, as soon as we leave, we're going to Revere. And we're going to go back to Boston.
What time are we heading to Rhode Island as soon as we get back?
As soon as we get to the thing, we're going right to Rhode Island. We got a hotel there, so.
University of Rhode Island. Exit 5A. 4 miles. Right. The main building. Right now.
I'm feeling some mean sleep time in the car.
Yeah, because we're right in Boston Harbor.
Oh, okay. Oh, I wonder if there's tea down there.
Oh,
Baby.
Yeah, they go make me some tea. Make me some sweet tea. Go make me some southern sweet tea. I'm thirsty.
I thought they threw it in the river.
Boston Harbor. Nope. Boston Harbor.
I think the wings are vibrating.
Panic. It's gonna come down. First time I was on a plane, I freaked out.
I freaked out when I flew up there because that was the first time I'm flying that I remember flying.
We were landing.
At least you got to fly with somebody.
So,
Your first time. Well, second time. My actual first
I call it
time.
my first because I don't remember the first time.
first time you flew, we were children.
Yeah, but I don't remember.
Anthony was a seed on his mother's belly.
Wow! You were nothing. Oh, I like that red house with the multiple levels.
Now we're all over.
Oh.
Oh, I love that feeling.
No, I hate it.
It feels so, oh yeah.
Go sailing. I think go sailing in the river.
We're not landing in water, are we?
Yes, we are.
What?
See, the runway's right here.
Oh, dang.
Jersey, the runway's right parallel to the highway.
Oh.
You can see the driving down the highway. You can see the planes landing right next to it.
Yeah. I hate planes.
Look at the wing, it's like vibrating like crazy, like it's gonna fall off.
Yeah, you remember that?
Remember that? Yeah.
You by the airport. I don't think any planes are landing then.
Seatbelt signal's still on.
It's been on a whole plane ride.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Boston, where the local time is 11 a.m. Please remain seated with your